If your refrigerator looks a little different, don't worry, the tips may still apply, so feel free to give them a try. Alarms going off on your fridge? Most alarms are designed to alert you of a change in the fridge or that you need to take some action. Here's what the most common alarms mean and what to do. They may vary by model, and you can check your owner's manual for more details. Power failure, or PF, indicates there's been a power failure. On some models, once the power has been restored, the alarm can be acknowledged by pressing the mute button or default settings buttons. On others, you may have to select options, then select the alarm and press set to acknowledge it. If the power was out for some time, the high temp alarm may also activate until it reaches a safe operating temperature. H. High or high temp. The freezer and/or refrigerator temperatures are too high. The culprit is usually the door being left open. You can mute the alarm, but it will stay illuminated until the temperature reaches the recommended setting. The alarm will activate when the freezer reaches 26 degrees Fahrenheit or the refrigerator reaches 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Door ajar. If a door has been left open for 5 minutes, the alarm will sound and illuminate on the display. Close the door and press the set key to reset the alarm. Flapper. If the flapper or ice chute door is being held open by a jammed ice cube, an alarm will sound. The alarm will reset itself after 2 minutes, or you can reset it manually by removing the ice cube and pressing the set key. If you see SB, your refrigerator is in Sabbath mode. Refer to your owner's manual to deactivate. DISP, along with an audible tone, indicates that the ice chute is jammed. Simply remove the ice from the chute. If you experience any other error codes, you may need to contact Frigidaire's customer service. Now there's no need to be alarmed. You've got this.